like! Quick click!
Oh my, welcome customers. Say hello to your friends. Customer, how can we help? I want to be pretty. Let me take a look at your hair. Your face is dull and you need to put on some makeup. I'll lighten your hair tone first. Okay. I'll apply the hair dye evenly. What color do your friends want to wear? We're curious about popular hair colors. When dyeing your hair, use a good product so that your eyes don't sting and your scalp doesn't sting. Did you remember to subscribe and like your friends? Use scissors to cut the silver foil. I'll wrap your hair in cut silver foil. Let's go! This will make the colors come out prettier. Do your friends like to go to the salon? Hurry up! It really does take work to be pretty, doesn't it? Wow, looks like the colors turned out just the way you wanted. Please remove the silver foil. What do you think? Customer, do you like the color? Sir, I'm going to wash your hair now. Make lots of bubbles. Shampoo foam should be removed perfectly. Wow, it's perfect! Sir, I'm done shampooing. Please move your seat. Oops, too many dark circles. We need to put a smile on your face. This snow pack is going to work great. Your dark circles are gone. I'll cut your bangs for you. So cute. Now let's start applying the makeup. Draw both eyebrows with a light brown color. Make sure you get the balance right. I'll accentuate your eyes with blue contact lenses. It's so pretty! I'll secure your hair with a hairpin. Powder puffs are great for smoothing skin. How do your friends see you? Aren't you getting prettier and prettier? Let's clean up any powdered mess. Oh, which eyeshadow color is right for you? This one, or this one? Indecision. Let's create a vibrant eye makeup with a bright pink color. That's adorable. I'll remove sebum with a puff. Let's emphasize the eyes even more. Now it's time to do your hair. I think it would look great with a double braid. I'll give it a try. Create wavy waves with braids. What do you think? Don't you think the double-parted hairstyle looks cute? Roll up your bangs and you're ready to go! I added volume and styled her hair in a bun to one side. Who does this look like? Guess who? Finally, put on the dress and you're done! Friends, how did you like the Snow Princess makeover? Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay tuned for my next video.
Subscribe! Like! Click!
Heartspring, you're late for your appointment. Wake up. Wake up, it's morning. Heartspring, this is not happening. I think I need to help. Subscribe and like your Lappin' friends. First, we're going to give our hair volume by rolling it up. Curl all the bangs. I'll curl the rest of your long hair too. Let me take off your sleeping patch. Oh my God! Quick first aid! Slather on the ointment. And a calming patch. Wake up. I'll do a pack for Heartspring's skin. I'll take off the calming patch now. Wow! Bubble, 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 make bubbles. Heartspring, don't forget the most important thing. Let me put a contact lens on Heartspring. Be careful. Wow! Quickly, thin your skin makeup. Let's make Heartspring's big eyes even prettier. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. So cute! Time to unravel the hair roll! It's so pretty! Pretty clothes for you too! Wow! This is it! I've got some pretty clothes for you too! Heartspring is ready to go out! Heartspring outings are a huge success, right? Stay tuned for the next fun story!